Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States, was a man of many intriguing facets, and among them was his unique and often unexpected bond with a pet parrot named Polly. This feathered companion holds a place in history for a rather unusual reason. Jackson had taught the parrot to curse like a sailor. While the details of their interactions have been embellished over time, the tale of Polly's profane vocabulary remains a colorful and memorable aspect of Jackson's legacy. In the early 19th century, as Andrew Jackson navigated the intricacies of politics and leadership, he found solace in the company of a vibrant and talkative parrot named Polly. Their companionship is a testament to the multifaceted nature of the man, who was known for his strong will and distinctive personality. As legend has it, Jackson's fondness for Polly went beyond the typical pet-owner relationship. He delighted in teaching the parrot a range of colorful words, including some choice expletives commonly associated with sailors and sailors' language. Polly's vocabulary was a reflection of the diverse influences that surrounded Jackson. As a man who had seen the rough and often uncensored world of the military and the sea, he was familiar with the colorful language that could be found in those realms. This familiarity likely contributed to the unconventional choice to teach his pet parrot such explicit language, whether as a form of amusement or as an expression of his own colorful disposition. Jackson's interactions with Polly became a unique aspect of his life. The legend of Polly's profane vocabulary has been recounted through generations, each iteration adding a layer of intrigue and exaggeration. One popular tale even suggests that Polly's language was so colorful that it had to be removed from Jackson's funeral to prevent any embarrassing outbursts. While this particular detail might be more of an embellishment, it underscores the humorous and unexpected side of Jackson's relationship with his feathered friend. Beyond the sensationalism, the story of Andrew Jackson and his pet parrot reveals a more relatable aspect of the man behind the presidential image. It humanizes Jackson and provides a glimpse into his personal life, showcasing a facet of his character that might have been concealed by the weight of his political responsibilities. The bond between a man and his pet, no matter how unconventional, is a universal theme that resonates through history. Jackson's relationship with Polly also serves as a reminder of the complex and multifaceted nature of historical figures. While he was a president who made significant contributions to the nation's development, his interactions with his parrot highlight the individual quirks and idiosyncrasies that make every person unique. In a time when the image of a president was often characterized by formality and seriousness, Jackson's willingness to engage in lighthearted interactions with his parrot showcases a more human side of leadership. As time goes on, the story of Andrew Jackson and his parrot Polly continues to captivate imaginations and spark discussions. The embellishments and anecdotes that have emerged only add to the colorful tapestry of history. Whether the parrot's presence at Jackson's funeral was indeed marked by a need for discretion or not, the legend serves as a reminder that even the most influential figures are not immune to the quirks and charms of everyday life. In the annals of history, Andrew Jackson's pet parrot Polly stands as a symbol of the unexpected and charmingly eccentric moments that punctuate the lives of even the most notable individuals. Beyond his policies and actions, Jackson's legacy includes a feathered companion whose unique abilities brought laughter and perhaps a touch of scandal to the corridors of power. The tale of Polly in her colorful language showcases the human side of leadership, offering a glimpse into the man behind the presidency, a man who found companionship and amusement in the unlikeliest of places.